Ito muna patunogin mo. Yung Beta 3, yung sub. Yan, Beta 3 lang muna yan.
To like, follow, and share to Luchamax TV Facebook page.
And only you can bring out all the best I can do.
Beta 3 lang muna yan.
I believe you turn the tide.
Yung JBL naman, JBL.
And if you go, the
Ayan.
tears can
Ayan yung tunog ni JBL. Malakas boses ni Beta 3. Tayo sa personnel scene. Mag-video ng ano mga boss sa Beta 3 at yung GBL. Dahil wala naman akong pabili, may pinapabidyo yung mayari ng personnel scene. Dong, magandang tanghali Dong.
Magandang hapon Dong.
Tanghali pa lang, hapon na agad.
Hapon na eh.
Ano, pabidyo na Sir Pat, yung ano ba yun, GBL Ion. Then yung Beta 3 na Sigma.
Yan, bagong dating lang eh.
Ito yung sa Beta 3.
Ginawa lang mga bagong presyo.
Yan yun. Ito yung sa GBL na subwoofer at ito yung pamboses niya. Ito yung pa-video ni Sir Pat, okay?
Testingin natin.
Sige.
Thousands of tears later.
Ito na yung i-video namin. So, ito price niyan, GBL na Ion 715, yan nasa taas mga boss. Ang price niyan ay 94,000 pares. Ion 715 ang model. Active na speaker po yan. Ayan po, oh. 94,000. Then itong si JBL Ion Sub na model 718S, price ay 136,000. Yan po. Paris na yon. Then ito si Beta 3 Sub na Sigma. Ang model ay B118A. 78,000 naman ang Paris niyan mga boss. Yan. 18 ang ano niyan, load na speaker. Itong Beta 3 B3 Sigma 215A. Pwede yan pang line array. Ang price naman yan ay 70,000 ang Paris. Yan. Pwede siyang gawing pang line array. Yan po. Yan. Mayroon siyang holder para pag ginamit nyo sa lineary. Yan po. Ito ang likod niya. Yan. ES215A. EB118A. 500 watts pala, ayan. 500 watts ang ano niya, amplifier. Ito si GBL Ion na sub, Ion 718S ang model. Yung Ion 700 series, yan. 715 ang model, Ion 715, yan po. Dito yan sa personnel scene mga boss. Home of professional. Ito naman mixer. Magkano price ng mixer Dong?
38,000.
38,000 yan mga boss ha. Orig na Soundcraft yan. Signature 12. May ano siya, audio interface. Ay yung reverb niya, ayun oh. Mili kayo, pihit lubog.
Pala, pag-main tayo na ito. Yung dalawang vocal sabayan tutugtog.
Alalay lang. Ito na mga boss. Yan. Beta 3 tsaka JBL.
Well, here we are again. I guess it must be fair when we back to setting straight. I still remember when I started to meet you. I guess it's meant to be forever you and me. After all, it's from year to year. It changes as it goes.
Sabay mo, sabay mo.
On and on the
Ah,
way.
Beta 3 tumutunog.
Lost, we keep coming back to these two hearts. Two angels who've been rescued from the fall. I guess it's meant to be forever you and me. After all, what else is there to come? Oh, I'm the truth. Understand to me. I guess it's meant to be. This time it's different. It's all because of you. It's been my favorite line.
Dong, lagyan mo ka ng bass. Lagyan mo ka ng bass yun. Tiplay mo ka ng bass.
Have to say, I finally found someone.
Dong na yung hero. Dito yan mga boss. Yan.
Cause whatever I do, it's just got to be you. Oh, and someone. Cause whatever I do, I'll finally find someone. Must be a million boys living in a great big city.
Laksan mo nga daw, konti.
I know that one thing, somewhere somebody, somewhere somebody, I'm just trying to catch somebody's eye. But all that should have been, it would have been. But I walked through the rain, that's fine. It was in the distance gone
Tawid na ako.
when will not be mine.
Malayo na ako. Nasa, ano na ako, 12 meters siguro to mga boss. Layo na nito.
Must be a million boys.
Dong, ito nga muna patunugin mo. Ito muna patunugin mo. Yung Beta 3, yung sub.
Keep on,
Yan, Beta 3 lang muna yan.
Make me feel this way, and only you inside. You pushed me up, and I'm about to give up. You're on my side, but no one seems to listen.
Klaro. Dong, JBL naman, JBL.
And if you go,
JBL naman, JBL. Yan yung tunog ni JBL. Malakas boses ni Beta 3. Ito naman. Sabay, dalawa.
It changes everything you see.
Dalawa, sabay.
Well, I know I've got you
Dalawa na yan.
with me. Push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on side when you know the tears can't help but show.
Malakas yung boses nito.
Lakas ng linaw.
Pangalay na rin pa.
Kasi speaker kasi dyan.
Oo.
Kilo kasi dyan. 4 voice ko dyan.
Somebody staring me up, and it feels just fine.
Gigi nila.
So price na mga boss ha, sa Signature 12 na Soundcraft. May ano siya, audio interface. May digital reverb. Kung mo, masapawan ako yan pag nandun ako sa harap. Okay, bawas lang ako ng pa-shoutout mga boss. Habang piniplay ang music na yan. Shoutout kay Gino Andaguer. Shoutout kay Arnold Mapola. Shoutout din kay Alutayo TQ ng Italy. Alton Macapagong ng Antipolo City. Shoutout sa iyo, sir. Shoutout kay Jomel Toledo ng Pasay City. Rex Lim Vlog ng Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Maraming salamat po. Joel Tolosa ng Damam, Saudi Arabia. Maraming salamat din sa iyo, sir. Boyet Artos ng Saudi Arabia pa rin. Yun, maraming thank you sa mga nasa Saudi ngayon. Nanonood sa akin. John Chris Kalunod ng Iligan City, maraming thank you sa iyo, sir. Felizardo Garaw ng General Trias Cavite, maraming thank you din po. Sunshine TV, shoutout po. Margie Singson, shoutout din sa iyo, ma'am. Shoutout din kay Sander John Jacob ng Tugigaraw City, Cagayan. Shoutout din kay Armando Ison ng Dingal, Loilo. Shoutout kay Toings PH. Shoutout kay Lupin TV ng Banilan, Mandawi City, Cebu. Ganoon na rin kay Greg Bautista ng Jobel, Saudi Arabia. Lel Lars ng Antipolo, shoutout din sa iyo, sir. James Robles, shoutout din po. Joseph Briones, shoutout po. Kenneth Serbo, shoutout din sa iyo, sir. Marlon Katahan ng Nueva Ecija, maraming thank you din po sa iyo, sir. Mr. Plantitom, shoutout sa iyo, sir. RG and MG Pro Lights and Sounds of Kawayan, Biliran from Romski, Sydney Kuni. Shoutout din kay Alfred Alico ng Bahrain. Shoutout kay Joseph Mayor ng Bukawi, Bulacan. At shoutout din kay Ernie Horbina ng Negros Oriental. Ganoon na rin kay Eduardo Flores ng Orayon, Bataan. At Jose Disonia ng Sorsogon. Yun. Maraming thank you po. Ang beat ko dito mga boss, sa tunog sa dating ng tunog, yung Beta 3. Yan. Mas labas yung ano niya, yung boses. Pang-line na rin kasi siya. Pero pagdating sa mga pang-indoor, ito pwede to mga boss, JBL pag indoor. Malinis din yung tunog niya. shoutout din pala kay Joel TV ng Brisbane, Australia. Ganoon na rin kay Lawrence Pinlock ng Vancouver, Canada. At kay Roel Del Rio nga pala, shoutout din sa'yo, sir. At shoutout din kay Ronald Sinamot ng Ormoc City, Leyte.
All the emptiness inside me flows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just thinking so much of you. There was never any doubt. I can't wait forever. As though my life was wrong. It took my love and gave it somewhere to belong. I'll be here when home is out of sight. I just wish that I was next to you tonight. And
Oh, shoutout kay Electro. Saan galing? Bangko? Oh.
forever if you will. I know it's worth it all. Spend my life alone.
Meanwhile,
Yan.
If God had a name and all His glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? Yeah, 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 yeah. What if that was my voice? How would it look like and would you wanna see? If seeing meant that you were in things like heaven and Jesus was one of us. Just as like one of us. Killing me softly with you. Killing me softly with a song. I heard you say before I came to see
Yan na. Yan na to. Mga boss, natapos na ako dito sa personnel scene mag-video ng mga GBL at yung Vita 3 na brand. So maraming thank you sa may-ari ng personnel scene, kay Ma'am Sini Ang at kay Sir Pat Ang. Yun. At yun na nga, magsha-shoutout na ako sa hindi ko nabigkas yung magpapa-shoutout. Shoutout kay JJ Rocco Mix Vlog ng Caloocan City. At shoutout din kay Elisa Tubanyan ng Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Ron Pajardo, maraming salamat din sa sir. At kay Carlo Ochia ng Caloocan City. Shoutout din kay Arnold Lopez ng Makati City at kay FBC Mini Sounds ng Hagna, Bohol. At so ayun lang mga boss, maraming thank you talaga sa patuloy na suportan nyo po sa aking YouTube channel Lutz Max TV. Lalong lalo na yung mga OFW na mga viewers at subscriber ko, ganoon na rin po yung mga viewers ko rito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat talaga. At kung nahanap nyo na ang dapat mahanap sa aking YouTube videos, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, share and like sa YouTube channel ko Lutsa Max TV. Magandang hapon sa inyo mga boss at God bless. May the force be with you.
I'm digging through the glove box.
Hey there.
I thought I had a
Subscribe
map
to my
in
channel.
here. The
And
driver's
also
door
press
doesn't
this
lock.
bell icon.
I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, track in, pack up here, in, track back here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York.